my God, got my you know, for you. The dark knows how to feel better. Oh, 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 it's the place to go when you feel a little under the weather. Let dark mix up and do her thing to get you right back in this way. Dark mixed up and dark mixed up and let the busy begin. The dark is out. Did we get like singing in it too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's done.
Do you have any other songs?
I have a time. I didn't even know a new I know the itty bitty spider and the big giant spider.
Okay, sing it.
I don't want to do it right now though. But I do want to play. I did it.
Okay.
That's all I can do right now.
Why don't you, Rylan, go play something on the piano. See if she'll dance to that. Over there.
I like that people take a little star on it.
Can you make it play a song? Can you make a song come on it?
Yeah, I can. How? That's all it does. I want to say Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on here.
Now she's dancing. Let her go. Let her dance. Rylan, put her down.